Hi, so hope you are doing well. Today I will tell you the differences inside Canva. When you finish a design, after that you want to share the design, and you have different purposes and different occasions or scenarios. At that particular time, which type of link you will share. Okay, so you can see I have finished this design called billing process. Okay, now you may have three kinds of scenarios. Okay, now let me tell you one by one the scenarios. Number one, you want to share the link just with your team members. Okay, that time you can use this option. The second option, under access level there will be your team account. You just choose that option, it will work. Okay, now the second option is called public view link. This one, you will use this link when anybody, okay, even without a Canva account, just want to view the design. No edit, no comments, feedback, nothing. Okay, and the third option is called template link over here. So this is a paid plan, template link. You will use this option basically when this is very important, so you just try to understand this segment. This is a paid option also. This template link, if you click this template link, it is clearly mentioned that anyone, okay, anyone with this link can edit the design. Okay, but your base or the original file will be intact. Okay, no changes will happen in the original file. So what will happen if you upgraded your Canva account, and just if you are using basic account also, free account, they will give you 30 days free plan. So you have to click over this button called try it for 30 days. So what will happen, this is very beautiful feature. So basically once you have the link and you share it, the user with this particular link, first of all he has to create, or he or she has to create an account, okay, Canva account, and after that with the link a copy of the file will be generated. Okay, this is very beautiful. So with that particular link a copy of the file will be generated, or the template will be generated, and that copied version will be his or her own file, and he or she can do anything, the user can do anything on that particular file, but your original file will be intact. No changes or modifications will be there on your original file. So whatever you will do the changes, that time the changes will happen in your original file, and again if you share or generate the template link, the updated version of the file will be generated. So this is how the template link works. Okay, now the previous access level I will just explain little bit more, because public view, I hope it is clear to you the concept. It's very easy and there is no much difficulties at all. So in this public view you will share the link to anybody, even without a Canva user. Simply they will paste this link on a browser, so they will be able to view your design. Okay, like this you can see I have pasted the link, I have copied the link. First I generated, then copied and pasted the link over here. So this is how the design looks. Okay, you can see I don't have any options called edit or feedback, sign up, nothing. Okay, just the design, that's all. And here no accounts also, no sign up or login required. Okay, now in this access level I want to clarify a little bit more, okay, so that you will not face any issues. So you will use this option called under this access level when you want the changes inside your main or original file, then you will use this option. Okay, and these options are these access level options are very useful. Suppose you don't have time, or you want to collect feedback, valuable inputs from your team members. Okay, and you want, suppose you just completed half of the design and rest of the design you want to be completed with the help of your team members, okay, or anyone else, because 2 or 3 options are there inside this. So what will happen if you select this option under access level? First option you can just ignore, because this is simply only you can have the access. So you can ignore because already you have the access, okay, with this design. Now the second and third options are very important. So second option, this is the team accounts. So you want to share the design inside your team members, then you use this option, team account option. And here also, if you select the team account, you will find again 3 options. One is edit, okay, one is called edit, then comment and view. 3 options are there. So I hope it is very clear to you. If you want any of your team members can edit the design, you share the edit link. If you want just comment, then you share the comment. If you want them to view the link, view the design, then you can share the view only link. Okay, this much. And under this there are 2 more options. Just here you will find visible in search result. You can tick if you want Google to crawl your design, okay, so that this design will be visible. If you want, you can just check mark, or else you can remove, okay, so that this particular design will not be indexed by Google crawlers. So this is how. Now the next option, this is the last option in this share features inside Canva. So you will use this option called anyone with the link. Okay, here also no sign in or login required. Okay, but anybody, even without a Canva account, they can edit your main design. So try to understand between this template only link and anyone with the link. So anyone with the link, they will edit and modify your original design, but with template only link, they will edit or modify their own design. Okay, this is how the main differences. And rest of the things, because if you are not sharing them the edit link, if suppose anyone with the link and you have selected the view only link, so there is no issues or no questions arise for the editor. Okay, they will just view without any Canva account. Okay, and if you share the comment also, anyone can comment on your design. So this much for today. Hope you understood all the segments and the sharing features inside Canva, and I used to get many questions on this. This is a little bit tricky, and people used to do the mistakes. I have also done previously, I have also done the mistakes, and I learned this. So I found I thought I should create a video, dedicated video. So yeah, I have created this, and you can just comment if you have any questions. Okay, you can follow us, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.